Blacksmiths were once called the king of trades, because they made the tools for everybody else.
An individual who had never seen anything like this, when you see their faces and they ask you questions, that's where it's amazing for me to think, I never thought about that.
I used to walk past it every day to go to school, and I'd call in there on the way home and watch him work and that sort of stuff, and I was enthralled by blacksmithing back even in those days.
Yeah, this is really, quite an honour to be able to make something that honours the blacksmith.